What's up, y'all? It's Yujin Tang, your local or possibly not so local Pythonista. So we're going to be learning about PyQt today. I've gotten a lot of requests to do PyQt, so I'm like, all right, we'll finally learn it. I've never seen this before, so this is like me like live learning a library for the first time. Because the last week I live coded a web scraper, and you guys seem to really like it. But before we get into learning this, I'm going to give a shout out to my YouTube subscribers. So thank you, Sean Drew and Rachel Smith. I know who Rachel Smith is. I know her in real life. Victor Lazoya, Gage B, Jared Cavalli, Daniel Araj, Vedant Takar. Oh, I talked to this guy in real life too. Um, Porteriqueno, 23, yeah. Andre Arias. I think this guy's in my Discord. Kristen, I know Kristen. I've not met her, but like I've talked to her before. And Franco Sebastian Lisa. So thank you guys for subscribing, and yeah, let's get into learning how to that's not right, learning how to use PyQt. So I'm gonna start by installing it. Pip install PyQt 6. And we're gonna make a Python file, test.py. Okay. So I guess we'll import. Well, actually, you know what? I don't even know how this works, so I should read this. I was looking at this earlier, and I was just like, what in the heck? This documentation is just like, I wish there was better documentation available. All right. Is there anything? Okay, I looked up some examples, so I have some examples pulled up that we can follow if none of this is really helpful. Now this is really helpful, so I'm going to go back to this page. We'll see what the difference between PyQt 5 and PyQt 6 is. I got some examples, so let's go with this one first. Hello World. So let's build our first. Oh god, let's build our first Hello World app. What do we do? Okay, so we got a QWidgets. That seems like a common thing here. So from PyQt 6 import QTWidgets. Yep, there we go. Is that it? Oh, from PyQt 6.QTWidgets import star. I guess I can do that. All right, let's see what happens here. App equals Q application. Okay. Q application. I assume this is the application, and what goes in here? Okay, it's an argv, so it's a list of arguments that we can pass in if we want to pass in command line arguments here. So I guess we'll do a label. Label equals Q label. At the end of this, by the way, we're gonna build a high-low guessing game in PyQt. But for now, I'm just gonna follow some tutorials. Hello world. Label.show and then app.exec. Okay. So if they use this exec underscore, but I actually read this earlier. Oh my god, I read this earlier. Exec is no longer a thing, so I think that we don't have to do that. So Python test py. Okay, hello world, nice. This is kind of ugly, but that's fine. So let's see, what else do we need to know? Buttons, lists, click. Is there an input? I'll take input in PyQt 6. I don't care about alerts. Ah! Maybe this will help. Oh. Okay, so we just need the input integer. QInputDialog. So we need to get QInputDialog. Where is QInputDialog? QInputDialog. PyQt. Oh, actually, you know what? I bet I can see the source code. No, you can't see the source code. It's not open source. Okay. Really? You can't see the source code? How am I supposed to learn something without being able to see the source code? Okay. All right. Let's All right. All right, let's go back to here. I guess it'll probably be one of these Qt core or Qt input. Okay, so let's just find out. From PyQT dot Qt core maybe import Qt input. No, so it must be from the other one. What was the other one? Qt GUI dot Qt GUI import Qt input. Really? No input? Wait. QInputDialog. Haha. Q input. No way. You gotta be kidding me. Oh, this is PyQt Forest. This is out of date. Maybe it's... Oh, gosh. Okay. Well, let's see if it's in Qt core. QInputDialog. Wow. What? Okay. PyQt. QInputDialog. This is useless. Okay, I see why people have requested this tutorial. It's because there's no good tutorials online. So, oh, it's a widget. Haha. Okay, so it's probably already in here then. I probably could just Q input. Ah, haha, nice. Input a number. Nice. Okay, let's do this. Example QWidget. Okay, so they're gonna make a QWidget and input something out of it. So let's do that. Class custom widget. I guess I should do this the Python way. No, wait, the Python way. Custom widget. And what is an example of a QWidget? All right. Super.init. Okay, I wonder what the super.init function takes. Let's see. Okay, so it doesn't matter. And then self.init. Oh, self.super.init probably. Whoops. Self.init init UI. Let's see what this does. Custom equals custom widget. Oh, I see. They define init UI. Okay, so let's go do that then. Of course, forgot the self button. Self.button. What are they doing here? Equals q.pushButton. Am I reading this? Yeah, okay. Show dialog. Dialog. Self. Self.button.move. .move? What does that do? Well, we'll play around with this in a second. Show dialog. What? I see. They add show dialog down there. Okay, so this is like, this is not, okay, let's build this the correct way. You're gonna have to build the show dialog function first before you call it. Otherwise, it's like, what am I doing with this, right? What does dialog do? Text, okay, equals QInputDialog. Haha, that's what I want. .get text. I'm gonna get integer self input dialog, but we'll change that in a second. Is this okay? If okay, self.le. What is le? Is it le? Le dot operator module. I have no idea what that is. Huh. Huh. Okay. Set text. str text. What, is text not regularly an integer? Okay, let's find out. Print type text. Print type. Okay. Button dot clicked dot connect. Self dot lay equals q. Oh, line edit. Ah, I see. Move. Okay, so they're moving it. What are they moving? What are they moving it do? Okay, I assume this moves like where it is on the screen. Self.set geometry. Ooh, geometry. This probably sets the size of the screen, right? I don't know why it needs 4 inputs. What? Let's find out why. Oh, it's a rectangle. Okay. So this is probably, well, I have no idea. Window, set window title, there it is. Input dialog. Self.show, okay. And then we just custom widget, custom.exec. Oh, I can't do that, huh? Well, let's see what happens when I do this. Superclass init of type custom widget was never called. It's not self.super.init. I'm done. Okay. It needs an argument? What? Maybe so. So okay, so not only is there no good tutorials online, but it's actually just straight up wrong. Okay, so this just straight up just doesn't work. Nice. I love that. Let's figure out how we can make this work. Well, I guess I did this wrong, so maybe it does work and I'm just being facetious. App equals Q application sys.rb. I think that we don't need any of this because I'm not going to pass anything to it. Custom widget. Exit. Okay, yeah. So this is just not, this just isn't even right. Like what? What? Alright, so let's completely get rid of this. Actually, we'll just completely get rid of this part. And we'll build this from scratch. So let's say we want to create a window, right? So we'll probably just create a widget. What did we do earlier? So let me get rid of that trash. Get rid of the... Oh no, did I? Oh, okay. Let's just see if I can do this. So let's see. Okay, let's make a Q application. So maybe it's Q application instead of QWidget. It's Q application. So window equals QWidget. QWidget. It's the most basic kind of widget. It would be empty if we didn't add any components to it. It's like a div element in HTML. Okay, cool. Okay, let's do a layout. Why not? QV box layout. Cool. Oh, let's make an input dialog here. Haha, nice. Okay. Input a number. Is that how you do the input, right? This looks kind of complicated. QInputDialog, PyQt. Oh, what? This is so much nicer than the other docs. QInputDialog.getText self QInputDialog.getText username QInput line edit normal QDir home dir name. What does that mean? Layout.add-widget. Let's do is QInputDialog a widget? Let's see if Stack Overflow can help us here. Add QInputDialog widget to layout. Stack Overflow, please. Stack Overflow, please. No, please, come on. Ah! QMDI area, okay. Okay. This looks promising. MIDI area. Sorry, this is probably window. Okay, so we'll add the MDI area here. Okay. Let's see what's going on. D equals Q input dialog. Input dialog. D dot set label. Label text? Yeah, okay. Input a number. D dot set input mode. QInputDialog. QInputDialog dot. Let's do int input. Is that a thing? Dot int input, please. Int input. That's not what I want. Input. They don't even have that text input. Is that even a thing in here? Oh, yeah, it is. Turtle. Well, I've never used turtle before. Well, this is not. Oh my god, when was this answered? In 2013? Dude, this is probably like out of date as hell. Bruh. Input. Okay, what kind of inputs they got? Is this like PyQt 4 or something? PyQt 3? It's killing me here. Why they gotta be like this? Learn Python, PyQt. There's a whole site for this? Let's see how this works. Oh, this is the site that's trash. Yeah, this site doesn't work. Okay. Oh my god, this is PyQt 4. Please, I just want to build an app. I just want to build a simple application. I don't need to create any classes. I mean, technically this is what you're supposed to do, but come on. Let's go to Google. Bing is failing us. Why do you use Bing, Eugen? Because I'm on Microsoft Edge. Okay, let's just add Stack Overflow to this. Okay, you know what? We're just gonna yellow this. Let's see if text input works. This is probably gonna yell at me. Okay. Area. Add sub window. Yep. Okay. Widget window dot show. I guess app.exec. I don't really know. We'll just play around with this. Well, yeah, I don't think we even need this, honestly. Like, let's just play with the window. Let's just see what happens. Must construct. Okay, fuck it. Must construct a Q application before Q. I did. Oh, I didn't save it. Q has no. Okay. Input. I don't even. Int. Let's hope that works. Int input. Okay. This thing's gonna kill me. Ooh boy. Ooh boy. About to kill something here. QWidget. Okay, that's the win. Is the window? Maybe it's the MDI area. Is the QMDI area a QWidget? Why would someone say this is better than tkinter? Like, I've built stuff on tkinter. Like, I don't know what you guys are talking about. Like, I have no idea what you guys are talking about. Okay, okay, it's a QWidget. Okay, cool. What was input, and then what? Oh my god. Huh? Title, label, value. Okay, so title, label, and value. Well, I don't think I set the value. I think I'm supposed to get the value. So title and label. Okay. Title is going to be guess, and label is going to be enter a number. I don't know what this is. Okay, let's just oh, okay. Hey, okay. Okay. Nice. We got it. Now, what we're going to do is nice. Okay. Let's see if we can get this so that we actually do something with this number. Okay. Print num. 22. Okay, nice. Okay, 6. So this is all we really need to do. Now we can play the high-low guessing game. All right, check this out. Check this out, bro. It's gonna be easy. Okay. We got it. All right. So let's wait. Let me see what this looks like again. Guess. Okay. High-low guessing game. I don't think I need this MIDI area. I think I just do window and I just get rid of this MIDI area completely. Well, let's just comment it out for now. Let's not get rid of it just yet. Nice. Okay, let's play around with this a little. What happens if I click like, okay, sick. All right. Now we also need a way to display an alert. Okay. And we need that alert to go away when it's done. What is signals and slots? Yes, perfect. Okay. I think I have the button, right? I'll have to look at this again. I just keep forgetting. Okay, it's okay and cancel it. Okay. On button clicked. Sorry. I don't think I can just, I think I can. So we can get rid of this because we don't need this. This is just trash. I'll define it up here actually. On click alert equals Q message box alert dot set text boop alert dot exec and then okay dot clicked. Is that a thing? What am I? What can I do with? Okay, you know what? I want to know what okay is. Print type. Okay. So let's see what happens when you click okay. It's a bool. It's. What else is there from this? d.getInt. Let's see. QInputDialog.getInt returns. Huh? PySci. This is not PyQT, but it's like a similar thing, I guess. Maybe so if okay on click maybe. So if okay on click. Let's see if that works. Okay, and then I want to say So instead, we're gonna on-click. I'm gonna pass the num in. So first, we're gonna do our high-low. So let's create a number. Random guess. So number equals. So we gotta import random. Import random. Random dot rand int 0 100. This should be guess. I just pressed Control D to highlight both of these, by the way. Oh yeah, okay. If guess is greater than num, guess is too high. If elif guess is less than num, alert.set text f guess is too low, else alert.set text. You guessed it. Then we'll also set, so guess is meant to be an int, and then guessing is a bool. So at the beginning we'll do guessing equals true. Guessing equals false. I guess while guessing, I don't know if that's gonna be like too much, if that's gonna like just mess with me, so well, first let's print the number. Print num. I don't want to, well, I guess it doesn't take that long to guess it anyway. 3 is too low. QWidget must construct an application before QWidget. How to keep a QWidget window open after input. Well, let's see if there's maybe I have to put this out here. Let's try that. Okay, so that's like setting like an infinite recursion loop here. Enter enter number, enter guess for. That's what happened when I pressed Control D earlier. Okay. Okay, so instead of this, we don't need to do this. Let's handle all of it on click. Actually, yeah. If I, yeah. Return guest. No, I want to change guessing actually. Let's just no, you know what? Let's do that. I think that should be okay. This is like some really ratchet stuff here. Yeah, it's still. I forgot to do that. That's why. Okay. Alright, let's test it. I guessed it. Oh! Sick! Okay, so that's how you can create a high-low guessing game in PyQt 5. Like, this is just a getting started with PyQt 5 kind of thing. Alright, this is actually PyQt 6. This isn't even PyQt 5. I labeled my folder PyQt 5, but it's actually PyQt 6. So yeah, this is just my first kind of like getting into this. I'm sure I'll create some more apps with this, and you can be on the lookout for that. Yeah, so that's pretty much all there is to this. Thanks for watching. If this was helpful for you, or if you liked it, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.